I drop a penny from the top of the tower of the airport, and it takes 1.85 seconds to hit the ground. Calculate the velocity in meters per second after 1.1 seconds of free fall and at impact. So we're going to calculate this twice. Okay? Now, since I give you time, we're going to use the velocity formula that's V naught plus AT. And I'm going to call this V1 because we're going to have to do it twice. Now, does it say anything in here about an initial velocity? No, it doesn't. So these initial velocities are going to be canceled out. So all it's going to be is V equals AT. Okay? So we're going to plug them in. So it's going to be 9.8 meters per second squared multiplied by our time. So I'm going to do the first one at 1.1. Okay? So 9.8 times 1.1 is what?
What?
9.8 times 1.1. What'd you get? Should be 10.78. Good job. It's going to be 10.78. And it's going to be meters per second. Because if I look at these units, it's meters per second squared multiplied by a second. That's in the numerator. That's in the denominator. So one of those cancels out. So I'm left with meters per second. Okay? So the next problem we need to solve for V squared or V2. So it's going to be 9.8 meters per second squared multiplied by 1.85 seconds. So solve that one. So what's this come out to? What? 18.1. That's okay. It's all right. That's why we're practicing. 18.13 meters per second. That's a terrible 3. Okay? Because that seconds cancels, that one cancels, and it leaves it as meters per second.